Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining. We're quickly confirming the staffing and vendor payment structure for the lunch. Angel, on the day of the event, can you confirm your team has adequate training on the new lead capture software?
Good morning, Diana. Yes, all 5 team members are scheduled for the final training session tomorrow morning. The process documentation is complete. However, we're still waiting for the final confirmation from the event venue AV contractor regarding the payment schedule. Sweet, can you speak to that? Absolutely, Angel. I reviewed the AV contractor's invoice this morning. The initial 50% retainer payment has been processed and is scheduled to clear tomorrow, November 15th. I just need to verify the exact payment method they require for the final 50% post-event. Could you forward me the communication from the vendor detailing that?
Thanks, Sweet. That's a critical detail. Angel, please follow up with the vendor liaison on the final payment details and loop Sweet in by EOD. Now, moving to staffing capacity, Janice, you mentioned needing some temporary support for finalizing the stage presentation materials.
It's correct, Diana. He required one freelance graphic designer for a total of 80 hours over the next 2 weeks to handle the high volume of presentations today. Please out to prevent delays. Sweet, is there an approved vendor agreement template we can use for the short-term contract? Yes, Janice, I can send you the standard independent contractor agreement template right after this call. Please ensure the agreed hourly rate does not exceed the budget threshold we set earlier this month.
Excellent. We have clear action items. Angel, vendor payment detail, Sweet, freelance agreement template, and Janice, staffing secured. We are aligned and moving forward. Thank you for the efficient updates, everyone. Thank you.
Di ba pagdala mo ato, di ba nana sa